cracknextpc channel, and today I'm sure how to use free VPN in Android. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start it. Open Play Store, search hola VPN. It's a free and very intelligent VPN. Proxy uses unblock any sites, any apps. Open like actually these apps like changes any other apps country like Chrome. You choose a country like United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Afghanistan, lots of countries in the. So let's start for United Kingdom. Open it. Let's just few minutes take this app, and this is open. Open Google. Open Google. Okay, thank you. It's views lots of porn websites. And lots of porn websites easily access these websites. Thank you.